Today is not just the end of another academic year, but the culmination of my incredible decade at BSc. A flood of memories rushes through my mind as I reflect on the marvelous journey that we have shared at BSc. The moment I close my eyes, a flashback of all the memories that I have made here fills my heart with an inexpressible emotion. 2014 was the year when I first entered the gates of BSc. 14 to 2024. It's just unbelievable that 10 years have flown by so fast. From the energizing prayer in the morning to the last good afternoon said to Principal Sir every day while meeting, the first few friends I made in 2014 to the many friends in 2024. From the first class every day to the now smile the set of our friends. Each day has found a valuable place in my heart. Looking back over the 10 years, we have experienced innumerable moments that are not worth forgetting. The joy of the meeting period, the excitement of the math and science classes, the lengthy lessons of the language, and the unending history of the social discourse. How can we forget the library? The unending conversations, whispering and snacking during the classes, celebrating our birthdays in school. It's just so heart-touching. The amount of energy we had during sports competitions, to the unending excitement for each picnic. Being very relaxed and happy at the beginning of the year, and the extreme levels of tension during the annual exam. Each year came with a bag full of new experiences. Remember the first day at school? Everything was so new. But now, it's worth saying, BSc is our home away from home. The moment when I realized that this was our last year here just makes me downhearted. But no worries, since we've all loved the years spent here in a treasure box deep within our hearts. It's not complete until I express my sincere gratitude. To the teachers, your unwavering support and encouragement have been the guiding lights of our educational voyage. Each lesson you have imparted, whether from the textbooks or life experiences, has been a stepping stone towards a brighter future. Right from the pre-primary segment to the grade 9 and 10 segment, we're extremely grateful to you. The well-equipped classrooms, library, labs, and sports facilities have enriched our academic and extracurricular experiences. We've had the privilege of learning in an environment that fosters creativity, critical thinking, and holistic development. To the staff members, the alumni and mentors who work behind the scenes, your efforts have not gone unnoticed. Your hard work is the backbone of a daily school life, and for that, we're truly thankful. How can I forget my friends? The most important aspect of every student's life. We've laughed together, faced challenges together, and grown together. We all never knew that we were making memories. We all just knew that we were having fun. But now, this time